Okay, hello everybody. I'm gonna show you how to build a shower like this. I'm gonna see you what is this.
Your house that.
You see that example is great.
You.
Come on, we're gonna
May
build.
I play a player for you?
Okay. Now we need like that. Dig a hole here. That. If we do it, just place there.
Totoo yan. Noong nag-a-abel kami niyan dito. Diba yung dito sa totoo yan, grupo, international yan. Totoo yan. O sige, order na. Lista nyo lahat ng order nyo, bibili natin. At ipadala nyo yung bayad nyo. O sige, lista nyo lahat ng order nyo dyan, ha? O, lista nyo yung mga halagang mga 50 mil.
Okay, like that. Okay, if you do that, now place here. Okay, that. Now that we're gonna place there. Now get some piston.
Nangyari na nga, nakarating na kami kasama ko kasi para si Apare. Sige na, totoo yan. Order lang ha, screenshot mo yung gusto mong bilhin para maano natin. Sige na, okay.
Okay. That. Now, if you build it, now just remove here. That. Replace here what you want. A canes. Okay, done. If you now replace this, just get some water. Okay, and get here. Try to remove the water there. In shower, let's get a cover here. Okay, just let's put a glass here. Okay, if you put it now, get out, cat. If you do that now just place a water. Now if it is where medyo nag-produce na yung place that and that. If you do that, just get some redstone. Okay, build the shower and the pistons. Okay, now let's see it. Now let's get a lever to on or off it. Now on, off, on. It is high tech. You see how to build a shower in Minecraft? It's just easy. If it's work, just like me or subscribe and don't forget to me. That's right, it's nice. Okay, let's try me. And if you see me, go in the shower. Yeah, I'm shower. Okay, enough it. Now it's finished. Now goodbye everyone. If it's worth, subscribe me. Everyone. Hello, 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 hello. Goodbye.